Welcome to the How to Get Ranked on the Google Map training video. I'm Yuri, founder of Truck Service Marketing, and in this presentation I'll share with you some tips to get you listed on the Google Map. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is we need to make sure that your listing is claimed and optimized. And you can claim your listing by going to google.com/business. You will need a Google account. You can create that for free. Once you have your account created, you can then claim your listing. Google will need to verify that you are the business owner by sending a postcard with a verification code to your business address, and this just makes sure that your address is accurate, that you're the business owner, and that you have access to that address. And Google will do this. Usually within a few days, they'll send you that postcard with your activation code, and you will need to enter that on your listing there. The next thing we need to do is we need to optimize it. So we need to make sure that we have the right name, address, phone number is listed in your account. It needs to be consistent, and it needs to be the same throughout all the other profiles online. So on your website, on your Yelp listing, on your Yellow Pages listing, we want to make sure that this information is consistent throughout, and this will show Google that you are a serious business and that you're all over the internet. That's what Google wants to see if you would like to get ranked in the Google search results. Moving on to number 3, having online reviews in your service areas. And for new businesses, this might be a little challenging. You will need to reach out to your existing customers, to your existing clients, and have them leave you a review on your Google listing. The more reviews you have from your clients, the higher your ranking will be in the Google Map results. Extremely important. The next thing we want to do is we want to create quality links going to your listing. The more links you have going to your listing, the higher you will rank on the Google Map. And these links can come from social media profiles. These links can come from other websites. The more quality links you have going to your profile, the higher your ranking will be. The last thing you need to do is you need to be active within your Google My Business account. And by active, I mean you need to be in there on a regular basis, posting and sharing content, posting a blog, information that's related to your industry. And this lets Google know that you're active, that you're sharing content and information, and Google will reward you by giving you higher listings in the areas that you are ranking for. These are the basic things to get you started. We have additional steps and resources in our free guide here on our website. You can get that from truckservicemarketing.com. These 2 resources will help you create an account, optimize it, and get it ranking, and also will help you structure your website, optimize your site, and get that listed into Google as well. And of course, if you need to contact us, you can reach out to us directly, or you can schedule a consultation, and we will be happy to connect with you to review your current strategy, review your website, and recommend steps and strategies that you can implement into your business right away. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to connecting with you very soon.